Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash stuffing for the week. I have $4.26 that I'm going to be putting into all of my envelopes this week. And I'm going to first start off in my wallet because I do have some leftover money and I like to just put this in savings, and then I put groceries into my Costco envelope. So let's see how much I have. So spending, I have a leftover of $5, $10, $11, $12. So that's going to go into some savings challenges later at the end of this video. Eating out, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So $11 in eating out. And then groceries, this money is going to go into my Costco envelope. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's going to go into Costco. I'll put that off to the side. Coffee, of course, I spent everything in coffee. And then buffer, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. So this is also going to go into savings. All right, so now I'm just going to fill up my envelopes with the usual amounts that I always put in. Yeah, every week, usually every week. So spending is going to get 30. Eating out, it gets 30 as well. Groceries gets 80, so that's 50, 70, 80. Coffee gets 20 this week. So that's 2 reloads for coffee. And then buffer gets 10. So that's 5 and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's 10 in here. All right, so that is my wallet for the week. That's a total of $170 that goes into my wallet. And then again, whatever I don't spend at the end will go into savings and my Costco envelope. All right, so that is it from the wallet. Now I'm going to go into the black binder next and fill up all of these sinking funds. Okay, auto repair. I'm probably going to have to go 4th of July weekend to get my car, to get maintenance on my car. But I have more than enough for that. And also I got like a coupon from Toyota for service. So I'm definitely going to take that with me to redeem to help cut down on this cost for this, yeah, for the auto repair. Okay, so this is getting $10 this week. Let's see, how much do I have once I add 10? All right, so now I have 100, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So 480. Almost a 500. Nice, but I'm gonna spend this, so I'm not sure how much of that I'm spending this week or the upcoming week, but I will be spending from that. Christmas gets $5 this week. Okay, Christmas now has 100, 2, 300, 350, 400, 20, 40, 50, 55. So 455, that's correct. My goal for this one is 720. So yeah, doing pretty well with that one. Electronics is getting 10 this week. I already have 500 in the bank. So electronics in cash has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87. And then plus 500 is 587. 587. Emergency is getting 15 this week. And emergency already has $2,000 in the bank. So now I have in cash, I have 100, 150, 170, 80, 90, 195. Plus 2,000 is 2,195 in emergency. Okay, so put this back in here. Cool. Ooh, it's a little squished. All right, so 2,195. Extra debt is getting 15, which this is actually just savings, so I just have to change the name because I don't have debt anymore. Yay. All right, so extra debt has 100, 50, 70, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20, 220. Wow. This is just from a month of saving, so that's pretty great. Love seeing that. So that's 220, and that's just going into savings. Furniture is gonna get 5. So furniture now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. 170 in furniture. Rainy day is getting 5. So I have 55 now in rainy day. 55. Registration is all fully funded. Road trip is getting 5. So now road trip has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53 in road trip. 53. Scentsy is getting 5. Lots of 5s this week because I didn't have as much to go around. I wanted to make sure I got something into every envelope, just because, you know, it's nice to see that little bit of progress each week, even if it's only like 5 or a couple bucks. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71 in Scentsy. 71. Subscriptions gets 5. So now subscriptions has 20, 40, 65 and subscriptions. Treat Yourself is getting 15. So now Treat Yourself has 100, 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 192. And Treat Yourself, wait, I counted that wrong. 100, 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, oh no, I did count that right. 192. Oh, I did my tracker wrong. Oops, I messed up on my tracker. Okay, just fix that right there. All right, so 192. All right, perfect. So that is it for this black binder. Now into the white one next. All right, let me make sure I'm still filming. Still good. Okay, we're good. We're good. I always get afraid that, like, scared that it's gonna stop recording on me and I don't know. All right, beauty. Beauty is getting 10 this week. So now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 in beauty. 14. Clothing is getting 5. So now clothing has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3. 103. 103. Content is getting 5. All right, so content has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9. Content. Costco's getting 5, and it's also getting the 9 from my envelope. Okay, so I need to update this tracker and all that. Okay, so I'm putting in 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 instead of 5. So let me just update this. 14. All right, so my total now is 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 64, 5, 6, 67. Let me just double check that. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 64, 5, 6, 67. All right, so 67 plus 9, 67. All right, That looks good. Costco. It's a good amount to go. I need to stock up on a couple things at Costco. Okay, Disney. This one's gonna be a fun one because you know what? I just made a reservation to go to Disney tomorrow, and I'm going to Disney for like literally maybe an hour and a half. It sounds ridiculous, but I haven't been in a bit and kind of itching to go just a little bit. Meeting my family out there in Anaheim, which is where Disneyland is, but they're not going to Disney. Like, we're not going to Disney. We're doing other things in Anaheim because there's lots of cool things to do over there. And I'm just gonna go early and go pop into Disney for a little bit and see if they have anything that I've been seeing online, and yeah, just kind of get some of the Disney magic, I guess, because I won't be going to Disney until like probably towards the end of the month. So I just wanted to kind of like just check it out for a little bit and go for maybe an hour and a half, and then go home, or then go hang out with my family. So and Disney, I have 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 10, 11. So 111. And I'm going to take this envelope with me to go shopping. If I find something, I usually buy a pin. So for sure I'll buy a pin. But I plan on like filming if you watch my shop with me videos. So you'll kind of see that, like what I end up getting. Family is going to get 15. Yeah, we have lots of fun things planned because it's my sister's birthday. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. My brother's birthday too, but he's gonna be with his family. Fun is getting 15. Yeah, they were both born on the same day, both of my siblings, but 2 years apart. 20, 40, 50, 55 for fun. Okay, so that's 55. Gifts. So this is going to come in handy to, I'm probably just going to split this up between the two of them for gifts. I might just give them cash. So in gifts, I put 15. So I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 160, 65, 70, 170. Yep. 170. Hobbies is getting 5. So now Hobbies has 20, 40, 60, 65. 65. Home is getting, oh, this one's fully funded. So Home is getting 5. So now Home has 45. 45. And Household is getting 5. All right, now Household has 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. 67. Target's getting 5. So now Target has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. All right, so that's it for these binders. Now I'm gonna go into the pink binder, or for this binder. Now into the pink binder next. All right, so first up is Go Wild. This one is getting $10. So now Go Wild has 100, 200, 250, 270, 280, 85, yeah, 285. All right, and then I'm gonna do my Power Up next. This one. This one's getting 21 this week. I roll the dice during my budget with me video, so I already rolled for this. So this one's getting 21 added here. And then these savings challenges, I plan on kind of closing them out before the new month, just to see how much I've been able to save within the month, because that's always fun to see. Okay, so that's it for those. Now I just have these this one, and then all these dollar ones. Okay, so yeah, I have 20. I want to make sure I have what I'm supposed to have here. 10. Yeah, I had 10. Oh no, I remember. I was like, I have an extra 10, and that's because I need to do my 100 envelope savings challenge, which I actually had planned to do only $10 in here, but I could do a little bit more now because I have some ones. So let's see. I can do, I'll do 13. I have all these ones right here. So 1, 2, 3. And then I have the 10 that I planned, so that's 13. Sometimes I like doing that just to help me like bump up the amount a little bit more than I had originally planned. So I can take the money that's left over from my wallet and just stick it in here. Okay, let me fix this because I realize this is out of the ring. Okay, there you go. All right, so, and then I'm gonna color in the dot later, so don't worry about that. Some people always like get like, oh no, you didn't color the little dot, but I'm gonna do that in a reel. Okay, now back to this binder here. So I have these savings challenges. I have this $10 one, which I don't have any other 10s. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the 5s with the 5s and the 1s with the 1s. And so I have 110 that I'm putting into this savings challenge. I need to get my markers. Okay, so here, this is the one that my sister created, the little piggies. It's super cute. All right, so let me get the pen. So I'm gonna color in this pig and then a green for the little bill. Perfect. All right. And then next is the $5 challenge. So I get to color in a few of these. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I can color in 5. Oh, I'm almost done. Almost done. I've never gotten that far on this one. All right, so I'm gonna color in 5 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. And that is that. And then all these ones are just gonna go, I'm just collecting all these ones. Actually, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 is just gonna get added to this little envelope. And again, I'm gonna close out all these savings challenges and then count them and see how much I was able to save just in this month. All right, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free, so definitely hit that subscribe. It helps out my channel, and I put out a lot of content, so if you're interested in watching more and seeing more, especially this cash budgeting stuff, then definitely hit that subscribe button. But yeah, until then, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.